What's going on, Crunchies? We are back. Welcome back to It's Always Summertime, and we are at the 3rd annual Clifton Food Truck Festival here in Clifton, New Jersey. And this is just really awesome. They have so many awesome things for kids. The girls are actually getting on this like bungee jump trampoline thing right now. They just finished on the bouncy house. Come join us for our wonderful, fun, and sweaty day. It's about 90 degrees and it's hot. At least there's a breeze. But we miss you guys. We look forward to you watching. Scarlett, jump. Go ahead, jump. Jump as high as you can. It's okay. Look at Scarlett jumping. Go ahead, jump, baby, jump. Hey, let's see Summer. Some. You ready? Go, Scarlett. You ready? Use your legs, jump, Scarlett. Hey! Push with your legs, Scarlett. Oh my God, if I wasn't wearing a dress, I'd do this too. Use your legs, Scarlett. Push up, it's okay. Jump. Hey! It's like you're in slow motion. Jump. Jump more, Summer. Go ahead, jump. There you go. But it's fun. Keep jumping, Some. There you go, Scarlett. All right, guys, like I said, that we're here at the Food Truck Festival, the 3rd annual Food Truck Festival here in Clifton, New Jersey, and this is what we have going on. We got some lomo saltado over there. We got some boba tea, kibasis, Nona ice, comfort food, even one for dogs. This looks amazing. So we're gonna keep you updated as we go. What you got? What did you get? $8 for a lemonade. $8 for a small lemonade. Just saying.
Overheated and we overheated. Hope you liked the video.
We did overheat. It was super hot, and we have some exciting news. Sometime in the future we're gonna post a video, and that video is gonna be about our meet and greet. Yes, we are gonna do a meet and greet for our Crunchies, to meet our family, to meet Summer, to meet Scarlett and Mommy live and in person. So we'll post details shortly. And as always, thank you so much for watching. God bless you and your families. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.